Welcome to the EdbMails Office 365 Backup, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails Office 365 Backup tool provides a secure and user-friendly solution to back up your Office 365 mailboxes, archive mailboxes, and public folders. It uses AES 256-bit encryption, allowing you to use the default encryption or set your own private key. The backed up data will be stored in encrypted format on your computer, ensuring it's protected throughout the process. Let's walk through the step-by-step process to perform an Office 365 backup using EdbMails. To use encrypted backup and restore, you must have your own EdbMails account.
Download EdbMails from the official website.
Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File.
Complete the installation process on your system.
Log in to EdbMails application with the email address and password. Select Backup Office 365. Select Office 365 Backup. Keep the default job name or click New Job to change. Click Browse. Select the location to save the backup data. Click Next to continue. Click Add New Connection to connect to the source Office 365. Select the required connection method. Click Next to continue. Select one of the authentication method. Click Login to continue. Authenticate on Microsoft Sign-In page with Global Admin account. Click Sign In. Accept the required permissions. Select the required option to load the mailboxes. Click Next to continue. Select the mailboxes or folders you want to back up. Click Next to continue. Click Start Backup. Select one of the options to set the encryption key. You can set your own private encryption key. Enter your private encryption key and confirm it. Click Save. Backup operation under progress. Backup operation completed. Click View Logs button to get operation report. That's it for a hassle-free Office 365 backup. Visit edbmails.com today.